grinding jar, add 3/4 of a cup sugar and some cinnamon. Make a fine powder. Then prepare a banana puree. Now add the powdered sugar and cinnamon with this banana puree. Mix them. Then add 1 cup of olive oil, or you can also use any refined oil. Now add 2 eggs. Mix everything well. And add 1 cup of refined flour. One tablespoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix everything gently. Don't overmix them. Add the dry fruits and dry nuts. Now the cake batter is ready. Now place a butter paper in the baking tray and pour the batter. And place some dry fruits and dry nuts over the batter. And bake it in oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Let it cool. After it gets cooled, cut it into pieces and serve them.